Are you looking for the best hole saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best hole saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the HYCHIKA Bi-Metal Hole Saw Kit. The HYCHIKA Bi-Metal Hole Saw Kit contains 11 hole saws and 6 accessories, made of bimetallic material for high durability and wear resistance. The saws have optimized teeth for fast and precise cutting, and a chip removal groove for easy chip discharge. They are suitable for hole cutting on various materials such as soft metal, wood, PVC board, plastic, and gypsum board. The kit comes with a sturdy storage box for convenient storage and easy transportation. Up next in the 4th place is the Klein Tools Heavy Duty Hole Cutter Kit. The Klein Tools Heavy Duty Hole Cutter Kit includes durable carbide hole cutters that cut quick, precise holes in various materials, a split-point pilot drill bit that prevents bit walking, and an integrated flange that prevents the operator from drilling beyond sheet metal. The set contains 7 8-inch, 1 1/8-inch, 1 3/8-inch plus 1 extra pilot bit, and is suitable for conduit and pipe sizes of 1/2 inch to 1 inch. The rust-proof, molded plastic carrying case provides convenient storage and portability. The 3rd product on our list is the VIKITON 6-inch Bi-Metal Hole Saw. The VIKITON hole saw is designed for durability and versatility. Its bi-metal construction combines flexible steel and high-speed steel cutting teeth, ensuring a long-lasting tool that withstands rust and heat. You will appreciate how easily it cuts through various materials like metal, wood, and plastic, providing clean and precise holes. Plus, the easy-to-use design allows you to quickly set up the hole saw by aligning the arbor and locking pins. With deep gullets for fast chip removal, you can enjoy a smoother drilling experience and efficient plug removal as well. Second on our list is the Lenox Tools Bi-Metal Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology. The Lenox Bi-Metal Hole Saw is 2x more durable and has 50% longer life compared to previous Lenox hole saws. With an increased wall thickness, it offers improved durability and minimizes tooth loss, ensuring a longer lifespan. The optimized tooth design allows for easy penetration through metal, making your cutting tasks effortless. The larger and sharper teeth enable faster cutting, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the speed slot staircase design makes plug ejection a breeze, enhancing your overall cutting experience. The Lenox Bi-Metal Hole Saw is a reliable and efficient tool that will greatly benefit users in their metal cutting projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the ALLWIN 4-inch Hole Saw. The ALLWIN Hole Saw is designed for versatility and efficiency, perfect for drilling through various materials like metal, wood, and plastic. Its high-speed steel construction ensures durability, allowing you to tackle tough jobs with ease. With a cutting diameter of 4 inches, it's ideal for creating openings for recessed lights or vent pipes. The tool comes with everything you need, including an arbor and replacement drill bit, making setup straightforward. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use, as you simply need to align and tighten the components for reliable performance. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.